everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find symbols in Microsoft Word. So first open Microsoft Word or your Word document, then go to the Insert tab, then the Symbols group. Now click on Symbols, and here you have some symbols, or you can just click on More Symbols for more symbols. Now here you can change the font and select the subset. So for example, if you want general punctuation, just select general punctuation and you will find all the symbols within this subset. You can select number forms, and here are the number forms. Now to insert a symbol, just select it, then click on Insert. Select another symbol, just click on it again, then click on Insert. So let's change the font and insert some other symbols. You can go to Special Characters, and here you will find some characters with a shortcut key. And if you want to add a shortcut to a specific symbol, so let's add a shortcut key to this symbol. For example, just click on the symbol and select shortcut key. So let's insert Ctrl plus Q, then click Assign and close. Now every time I press Ctrl plus Q, this symbol will be inserted. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.